Montenegro is paradise until you need an antibiotic or your kid starts coughing. You run to the pharmacy, show a photo of the medicine, and they tell you nema. A common cold here can cost €5, or a ruined vacation and hundreds of euros for a private clinic. Today, I'll give you a cheat sheet for Montenegrin pharmacies. You'll find out what you need to bring with you and what's strictly forbidden, and which 2 remedies Montenegrins consider magical. Plus, a beach life hack that'll save your foot and your wallet. My name's Stefan, I live in Montenegro, and I know what I'm talking about. Let's go. So let's pack our bags. If you're traveling with kids, be sure to bring baby food for the first few days.
Especially if the child is used to specific lactose-free or therapeutic formulas, as the selection in Montenegro can be limited.
If you need specific, chronic, or hormonal medications, bring enough for your entire stay.
Always with a prescription where the active ingredient is written in Latin script. Preferably, the prescription should be in English.
Note that even if a medication can be bought over the counter in your country, it doesn't mean it's the same in Montenegro. Check in advance. By the way, if you have to buy prescription meds in Montenegro, the pharmacy will keep your prescription after the sale.
If you use psychotropic drugs, besides the prescription, you must declare them at the border. And the maximum supply you can bring is for 30 days.
Also note that antiviral drugs and strong sedatives like Corvallo are not sold in Montenegro.
If you think you might need antibiotics, it's better to bring them along to avoid the hassle of getting a prescription locally.
Pack everything in a clear plastic bag. Now this is important. Under no circumstances should you bring products with. In Montenegro, this is prohibited. Confiscation, a fine, a criminal case. Don't risk it. The word for pharmacy in Montenegrin is apotheka. Look for this sign. There are many of them here, especially in tourist towns.
Most pharmacies in Montenegro are open from 8 to 8 on weekdays. On Saturdays, many pharmacies are also open but close earlier. But on Sundays and holidays, only a few are open. Even rarer are 24-hour pharmacies.
But I'll give you a tip. In Budva, look for the Benu pharmacy, located across from the bus station. In Bar, the Benu pharmacy, located right next to the health center. And in Podgorica, the Montefarm Kruševac pharmacy. In case of an emergency when pharmacies are closed, contact the ambulance service, which is open 24/7 and located at the Dom Zdravlja. Actually, the most common issues for tourists in Montenegro are food poisoning and rotavirus. These typically occur from accidentally ingesting seawater while swimming, eating unwashed fruit, or consuming spoiled seafood, such as oysters. To restore your gut flora after the acute phase, try local probiotics. They should be better at handling local infections. So, we need some medicine. Forget about the brand names. Look for medications by their active ingredient in Latin. In the video description, I've left a file with a list of equivalents for popular medicines in Montenegro.
But if what you're looking for isn't there, you can find your medication's active ingredient on drugs.com. Then you can check which medicine with that ingredient is registered in Montenegro on the website sinmed.me. Or just go to the pharmacy and show the pharmacist the name of the active ingredient in Latin.
And now, here are some basic pharmacy phrases that might come in handy. Imate li zamjenu? Kako se ovo koristi? Koliko puta dnevno? Koliko košta? Ovo je za dijete. Imate li nešto za kašalj, stomak, temperaturu, glavobolju? And now, 2 products that I recommend everyone pick up. You won't find these back home. First is Yekoderm, a fish oil-based ointment with vitamin A. Sunburns, irritation, dryness, minor wounds. The smell isn't great, of course, but it works wonders. Second is Melem. It's a traditional herbal ointment very popular in the Balkans. Locals put it on absolutely everything. Smells like wax and pine needles. Because it's so popular, it's often called the local lifesaver. I highly recommend it. A small pack costs about €5. And now, a beach life hack, as promised. Rocky beaches are beautiful, sure, but it's very easy to step on a sea urchin in the water. They often hide between the rocks.
What should you do if that happens? First, of course, get out of the water and onto the shore to check the wound. Remove visible spines with tweezers or squeeze them out like a splinter without breaking them, but only if they aren't deep. Next, you need to soak your foot in hot water, preferably with vinegar, for 30 to 60 minutes. This neutralizes the toxin and softens the tissue. Then, use sterile tweezers to pull out any remaining needles.
If the needles are deep, near a joint, or you see black dots under the skin, go to Hitnu Pomoc or call an ambulance at 124. Another thing about Montenegro is the winding mountain roads. The roads here are beautiful, but very twisty. If you get motion sickness, pick up some Dramina at the pharmacy. Take it 30 minutes before your trip. It works great! If you get seriously ill, head to Dom Zdravlja. It's a state clinic, and there's one in every town.
A visit without insurance is about 20 euros. They can write a prescription and give you a referral to a doctor.
Private clinics are faster. They often have Russian or English-speaking staff.
Milmedica and Kodra is reliable options. A consultation here starts at 30 to 60 euros.
Insurance here isn't an option, it's a necessity. Hospitalization without insurance in Montenegro is very expensive. An important point for those planning to get an insurance reimbursement. At pharmacies and clinics, always ask for a detilizovany urchin. That's an itemized bill, not just a receipt. Without it, the insurance company might deny your claim. You also need a medical report, izveštaj lekara, a copy of the prescription, recept, and the original fiscal receipt, fiskalni račun. If this was helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for tourists in Montenegro. There are even more great life hacks there. See you in the next video.